Welcome to my channel and how to download the motherboard driver. Okay, so first you have to come on gigabyte.com, then you can see here search button. Just click on that and please type your motherboard model number B550 Eagle and then hit enter. After you can see this is all detail of your motherboard. Then guys click to product. Then click on model number of motherboard. Click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, you can see this video and install any operating system because this is installations process same if you are using Windows 10. Okay, so chipset, so first one, and try to this one chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. You can try also this one AMD apron driver. This is proper chipset driver. You can see this is version with. And then click to chipset and double click to checked, then yes, and this is install. So it is closed automatically and then close.